fields now, and who will sow the corn? And who will watch the sheep now, and keep them neatly shorn? The stack that's in the haggard on crushed it may remain, since Johnny went a-crushing the far-off King of Spain. Oh, the girls from the Bono in sorrow may return, and the piper and his bellows may go home and blow the fire. For Johnny, lovely Jenny, went sailing o'er the main, along with other patriots, to fight the King of Spain. Now the boys will sorely miss him when Manor comes around, and grieve that their bold captain is nowhere to be found. The peers must stand idle against their will and way, for the valiant boy who gave him work now fights the King of Spain. At wakes and hurling matches, your likes will never see, till you come back again to us as though we were free. And won't you trounce the buckings that show us such disdain, because our eyes are not as bright as those you'll find in Spain. If cruel fate should not permit our Johnny to return, this